If your skin feels dull, tired, or lacking that natural glow, nature has a simple answer for you: carrots and oranges. Carrots are one of the richest sources of beta-carotene. Inside your body, beta-carotene converts to vitamin A, which helps repair skin cells, reduce dryness, and even protect against sun damage. That's why people who eat more carrots often have a healthier, more youthful glow. Oranges, on the other hand, are loaded with vitamin C. And vitamin C is your skin's best friend. It boosts collagen production. That's the protein that keeps your skin firm, smooth, and wrinkle-free. Without enough collagen, skin starts to sag and age faster. But when you add vitamin C daily, you're basically feeding your skin from the inside out. Now imagine combining these two superfoods in one refreshing glass. Carrots bringing repair and protection, oranges delivering collagen and brightness. Together, they fight free radicals, reduce signs of aging, and give your skin a radiant, youthful shine. Here's how you can prepare it. Take 2 medium carrots and 2 fresh oranges. Wash, peel, and chop them. Blend or juice until smooth. For extra zing, add a small piece of ginger. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately for maximum freshness. Drink this first thing in the morning before your breakfast and let your body absorb all the goodness. Within weeks, you'll notice your skin looks fresher, more hydrated, and naturally glowing, without expensive creams or harsh chemicals. So if you want glowing skin that shines from the inside out, try this carrot and orange juice daily. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Please like and subscribe for more.